going on, everyone? We have to go over Toshi because Toshi is up over 20% in the last 24 hours. So while everything's been dumping, Toshi has been going up. Well, as everything's trying to recover, Toshi is now going up a lot more than everything else. And it's also inside of the top gaining cryptos. So that's actually pretty bullish for Toshi, the fact that it's inside of the top gainers. So anyways, we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about the bullish pattern we have cooking up here inside of Toshi and what I see next for Toshi. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Let's go straight over it. So yeah, like I said, 18%. Well, we were up 20%, and we were up way more than that before. But yeah, 129 million in trading volume, 171 million in market cap. So it's doing really, really good right now. And yeah, Toshi's top trending, all that good stuff. A lot of people are talking about how Toshi is outpacing the market. So, that's also a good thing. But you know me, I like to talk about these charts. So let's get straight into the charts. As you can see, we have a falling wedge right here. As you can see, the falling wedge is a bullish pattern. It's a bullish pattern. Here is the falling wedge right here on the daily chart for Toshi. You can come over here in TradingView, and TradingView has their education section. Falling wedges have an 82% win rate to the upside. So 82%. And coming off of the fact that we just now had a major dump in the crypto market, we actually might have a pump cooking up here inside of Toshi. But remember, we have seen these falling wedges fail before. All right, even though it's an 82% win rate, we have seen these things fail before. Even though it's a bullish pattern, it can still fail. It still has a possibility of failure. So you got to keep that in mind. But let's kind of go over a few things that could help us, right? So on the percent R trend exhaustion, pretty much it's oversold, like completely oversold. So it actually looks like it's starting to reverse now. We might see a bullish reversal for Toshi and for altcoins as well. I don't know how good of a bullish reversal it will be, but there's a possibility there. Also, all the selling pressure on the MACD does look like it's reversing here. So the selling pressure might be reversing right there. And also we're seeing Bitcoin is kind of building something up too. This is a bullish expanding triangle for Bitcoin. So this is also a bullish signal, and this is being shown on Bitcoin. So it's kind of interesting to see. We're having a lot of things breaking out to the upside. So that's fairly bullish actually. But how long will it be bullish for? That's the real truth. Is this just a relief rally to where maybe Bitcoin goes up to 94K and then continues to dump even lower? And then the same thing for Toshi. Is this like a relief rally for crypto, and then maybe Toshi tries to, break out as well, but then Toshi just ends up dumping some more as well? So yeah, I don't know. We'll see, because if Bitcoin breaks out, Bitcoin could possibly get up to 94K, maybe 100K at the most. If this happens, we could see Toshi breaking out and trying to get up higher. But I don't know if it would even do all that. So this is a really tough time to want to get back into the market. But yeah, at this point, all we can really do is speculate. Like we have the signals, right? We have a bullish sign here, the falling wedge, right? We have the falling wedge showing bullish. We have the percent R trend exhaustion completely oversold. We have the crypto fear index at extreme fear, which usually means buy, right? And then we have the MACD completely sold off here. A lot of selling pressure, but the selling pressure is selling off, and now it's kind of reversing here. So we have all these different signals, but it's up to you to choose whether or not you think it's going to continue to become bullish, because I can't choose for you. All I can do is show you what the facts are in the market, right? What the facts are inside the technical analysis. That's all I can do. Now, something that is a bit of a red flag here for me on Toshi, we see the short-term trend breaking out upwards, and then the long-term trend is starting to trend downwards. The problem with this is if the short-term trend gets too far gone, it will pull back as the long-term trend is going downwards too. So that pulls the price down. So this could essentially be a bull trap. right? Because if the long-term trend continues downwards, the short-term trend is going to come right back down. It's going to bring the price down. So if something like this happens, we could see that getting sold off from there. So that's just one of many possibilities out here for the market. So yeah, it's extremely hard to tell what's going to happen. And all we can really do is wait. Now, this is another point of view here. This is the 30-minute chart. Now, on the 30-minute chart is a short-term trend. We're probably going to end up seeing this coming back up here to the top, trying to retest it. And if it breaks through, then that's going to be pretty bullish. Okay. So, it's all contingent upon what's happening right now. And also on the hourly chart, it looks like it's about to do a reversal upwards as well. So a retest at the top of this falling wedge could be next, right? That could be the next thing that we see. So anyways, going back here to the 4-hour chart. Yeah, like I said, if it doesn't break out after this and it just pulls back, then yeah, that was a false signal, and then we'll probably end up trading sideways for a while. So yeah, we'll see. But anyways, this is all I got for you guys today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.